Hello, everyone in the world. Today we talk about one personality very famous in world. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From a young age, he showed a strong interest in computers, technology, and reading. At just 12 years old, he created and sold a small video game called Blastar, proving early signs of his entrepreneurial talent. Later, Musk moved to Canada and eventually to the United States to study physics and economics. Musk's journey to wealth began in the 1990s when he co-founded his first major company, Zip2, which provided online business directories and maps for newspapers. In 1999, the company was sold for nearly $300 million, giving Musk his first significant fortune. He used the money to start new ventures instead of living comfortably. His next big success came with X.com, an online banking company that later became PayPal after a merger. PayPal transformed online payments globally. In 2002, eBay purchased PayPal for $1.5 billion, and Musk received a major share of the profit, making him a multimillionaire. Instead of stopping there, Musk invested his money in ambitious, risky ideas. He founded SpaceX in 2002 with the goal of reducing space travel costs and eventually reaching Mars. In 2004, he joined Tesla, an electric car company, and helped transform it into one of the most valuable automakers in the world. He also launched other companies, including Solar City, Neuralink, and The Boring Company, each focused on futuristic technologies. Elon Musk became extremely rich because he took big risks, invested in innovative industries, and focused on solving global problems such as clean energy and space exploration. His wealth grew as Tesla's stock price increased and SpaceX became a leader in private spaceflight. Today, Musk is known as one of the most influential and wealthiest entrepreneurs in the world.